Hi everyone, I'm Sophia. In this video, I'll show you how to move items between image. Just grab. For example, I want to move calculator, notebooks and flower from this image to another image here. Let's go. Click on the source image, then click Edit Image button. And click Magic Grab icon here. Canva AI will quickly scan objects in the image. There is two ways to select item in image: brush or click. I'll try brush first. Select brush button and define brush size. I'll go to brush a gold clip here. Click grab button. Wait for a second. And I got it. You can move it to somewhere. Just grab. Let's try a calculator. Now I'll use click instead of brush. Just click on the item you want. And click grab button. Wait until Canva finish a process. That's it. I'll move it to a white space. Now, it's your turn. Try the flower, please. Good job. Now Andrew will show you how to select a group of items.
Hi everyone, let's go to select two notebooks here. Click on a notebook in front. Then click on each parts of a notebook in the back. Don't forget a little part here too. And grab it. You can grab them as a group. Cool. To move them to another page, press Shift button on a keyboard and click on items you want. Press Ctrl X on a keyboard. Go to a destination page, then press Ctrl V. Move, resize or rotate them as you want. Job done. You can move things, animals, or human too. I'll move the leftmost woman to a white space. I also chose parts of a chair too. Otherwise, the woman will look like she likes to sit in the air. Okay, this looks good, right? And this is Magic Grab, the easy way to extract objects from images. Try it out and you'll be amazed at the results in creating new content and customizing images as you wish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more cool tips in the next video. Thanks for watching.